Pratima Coutinho, the Congress loyalist, is either loved or hated. Nonetheless, the hate fuels her and Mahila Congress to move ahead. Let's drift away. Now there has been a post that has set the world on fire. A post that questions Pratima Coutinho's loyalty towards her party. A post that has been met with utmost rage from Coutinho's supporters. Want to know more? Keep watching for some political banter.
Today, Goa Pradesh Mahila Congress Committee, led by me, we are sitting here to address the press conference on one post which has gone so viral. It's just gone like wildfire on the social media. It may be on WhatsApp, Facebook, everywhere. जाले 2 दीस जाले उजो असो पेटलेलो आसा आख्ख्या गोंयांतच न्ही सबंद देशांत. म्हाका दिसता इवन आउटसायड लायक इन द US, Holland, Dubai, England, UK, and we are getting messages and calls. And I'm pretty sure that you guys, even the media guys, must have read and seen that post. I would like to clearly say, this is a statement coming from me, the advocate Pratima Coutinho, the state president of Goa Pradesh Mahila Congress, that this post which has been posted is just to tarnish and malign my image which is there and the image of my team who is sitting here and who was present on that particular day on the 5th of October for Reginald, our MLA Reginald Laurencio's 50th birthday. Let me tell, these hate mongers which are spreading these rumors are, I guess, just jealous. And there's no वखद म्हणटा ते jealousy ना. There's no medicine for jealousy. There's no cure for jealousy. There's one post which came something like with a photograph. I will explain later for what function and what it was. A picture with the CM of Goa. आमी कोण चोरा बारा उबी रावन फोटो काडूना आनी वॉट्सॅपाचेर नासलो तो फोटो. आमी no matter what, he is the CM of Goa, Chief Minister of Goa, Pramod Sawant, and our delegation, the Mahila Congress team. Caption आयलें खंय तरी घातलां की म्हाका एक ना म्हणल्यार एक 700 messages from yesterday. Madam, what is this? Madam, we don't believe this. म्हणून तो पोस्ट इतलो फामाद. कितें म्हूण दिलां त्या पोस्टार? कॅप्शन घातलां की I would like to read that post. I would like to show that post. It says, major setback for Congress. Mahila Congress, along with its president, Advocate Pratima Coutinho, joins BJP in the presence of CM Pramod Sawant and Minister Lobo. आणि फोटो घातला आमचो सीएमा बरोबर आणि इतलो वायरल केला. इट इज जस्ट डन टू टार्निश आ इमेज. जी इमेज आमची जी आसा ती पिड्यार करपा खातीर. Let me tell the people who have done this, which brain had started doing this to tarnish, and it has gone like fire on the WhatsApp and social media and Facebook. सांगपाक सोदता की पहिले म्हजें नांव म्हणटा तें प्रतिमा, and the meaning of my name Pratima means image. प्रतिमा म्हणल्यार आयडल, एक इमेज. आनी हांगा प्रतिमाची प्रतिमा भंग करपा खातीर हे खंय तरी लोकांक दिशाभूल करपाक लागल्या की प्रतिमा जॉयन BJP म्हणून. हांकां टॅक्निकल ग्रावंड्स आनी ग्रावंडाचें कांयच खबर ना दिसता. प्रतिमा if she had to join BJP with Mahilas, Pratima would have given resignation letter in the Congress head office first. रस्त्यार उबी रावन कोण जॉयन जायना. बट somehow 4 बोकड्यांनी हें जें फामाद केलां, हें स्प्रेड केलां, हांव तांच्या खातीर ही प्रेस घेना. I am addressing this press for the lack of Goans. It may be Goans, it may be our Goans who are abroad, it may be our Goans who are in India, who are concerned, who love me, who are my big time supporters, who are just like, who motivate me, inspire me, and always stood by me. So for those people to clear and to tell, because it has to come from the horse's mouth, they say, हांव कितलेंय म्हणूं, लोक जाय तें उलो म्हणून, पूण कोणाचे जिबेक न्ही म्हणटात पळय, जिबेक म्हणटा तें हाड आसता. देर इज नो बोन फॉर द टंग, सो पर्सन वील कीप ऑन. So just to stop these rumors, the fake rumors which are posted that Mahila Congress president along with a team has joined BJP is a fake म्हणून सांगपाक I had to force myself to take an official press in this Congress headquarters. If you all go to see what is written here, the board is written Goa Pradesh Congress Committee. And when Advocate Pratima Kutino, the president of Mahila Congress, is sitting on the same desk and addressing with her team, that is a clear message to those people who are trying to spread false rumors. That's a tight slap for them that तुम्ही केला आसतली नाटकां 2 दिसांची, तुमचे पोटांत कित्याक इतलें दुखलां तें खबर ना, तुमकां कितलें एक्सायटमेंट जालें तें आमकां खबर ना, पूण हें तुमकां थापट बिकॉज आय एम रिप्लायींग टू यू ऑल that Pratima's means Pratima's image is there only. Nobody can tarnish it or malign it. दुसरें म्हणल्यार हे rumors इतले जाले. I saw messages forwarding and going around, but I would like to tell something. I am with Congress. I was with Congress and I'll always be with Congress. Let me repeat. I'm saying that let these rumors go on. Today when I am addressing the press, when I am telling those are false rumors, and I am still very much in Congress, I was in Congress, I am in Congress, I will always be in Congress. We may be not be in power today. It's like sunrise and sunset. आयज तांचो सनरायज आसतलो, आयज आमचो सनसेट आसतलो, पूण फाल्यां आमचो सनरायज जावपाक शकता आनी तांचो सनसेट जावपाक शकता. एक भुरग्याक एक आवय पोटाक मारून त्रास घेवन बरें ना तेन्ना दुयेन ना तेन्ना व्हड करता आनी जेन्ना आवय जाणटी जाता तेन्ना आवयक कशें एक बरें भुरगो सोडपाक शकना, तशें हें प्रतिमाचें उतर that I am a Congress loyalist. I've got that image of being the Iron Lady of Congress and I'll always be there in Congress. तांकां खंय तरी भिरांत पडल्या that Goa Pradesh Congress Committee जी आसा, महिला committee आसा, that the Goa Pradesh Mahila Congress president and her team is very vibrant in Goa today. And we have taken up lot of issues. We have had fights with the government. We have fought for the people. Efforts इतले घातले आमी गरीब लोकां खातीर. That will continue for the common people and गरिबांक. तें म्हजें उतर दिवपाक सोदता. आयज आमचे पार्टी लिडर गेले आसतले. They had their choices, they went. But that doesn't mean that we are demoralized and we will also go. We vow to stand by our leadership and our party. आणि एक सांगू सोदता, जशें हांवें सांगलां तशें फायट वील ऑलवेज कंटिन्यू. हें जालें कित्याक लागून हो पोस्ट हो सीएमा बरो पोस्ट केन्ना वायरल जालो. आमी बाब रेजिनाल्ड जो आमचो काँग्रेसाचो MLA आसा, we were invited by our legislator, Congress MLA Reginald Lorenzo in Raya Panchayat Hall for his 50th birthday, where he thought that he will celebrate his birthday by gifting his constituency people some tractors, ambulances, wheelchairs. एक बरे कामा खातीर ताणें तो आपलो बर्थडे साजरो करपाक तो मुखार सोडलो. आनी थंय ऑन द इन्विटेशन इट वॉज क्लियरली रिटन that chief guest is Chief Minister of Goa, that is Pramod Sawant. Guest of honor was our ex-CM of Goa and MLA Pratap Singh Rane. There was our leader of opposition sitting on the stage, that is Digambar Kamath, Margaon MLA and ex-CM. Along with there were ministers, other MLAs, Jillas, and I felt acknowledged, I felt honored that Regina Bab, like always, called me and told me that you are invited with Mahilas, your team has to be there. And when we happened to be there, Maka stage apun to darjo dilo, gave me that respect to sit on the stage along with CM, the ministers, the MLAs, leader of opposition, and I was given the opportunity to talk, to speak on his birthday. And while addressing, I spoke about Reginald and I made it very clear that Regi Bab, we are only left with 5 MLAs. And imagine for your birthday, if CM Pramod is acknowledging to come when you are vociferous, assembly तू झगडता त्याच्या अगेन्स्ट ओपनली, तेन्ना आयज त्याने रिस्पेक्ट दिवन समज तो हांगा आयला, लिडर ऑपोजिशन आसा, मिनिस्टर सगळे आयल्या जाल्यार दॅट शोज दॅट देर इज सम रिस्पेक्ट एंड व्हॅल्यू म्हणून. आफ्टर द फंक्शन वॉज ओवर, ट्रॅक्टर्स, एम्ब्युलन्स आमी इनॉग्रेट करपाक गेलीं. सुमार 8 वरां जाल्लीं काडोक CMन सगळ्या इनॉग्रेशन केलें, प्रोग्राम जालो आनी CM वॉज इंटरॅक्टींग विथ वेरियस पीपल. CM स्पोक टू दिगंबर कामतजी, CM स्पोक टू, ही वॉज टॉकिंग टू मायकल लोबो, ही वॉज टॉकिंग टू डिफरंट तांचे मिनिस्ट्री, तांचे बरें उलयतालो आनी वी हॅपन टू मीट CM एंड एज अ कर्टसी. आफ्टर ऑल ही इज अ चीफ मिनिस्टर. सी, वी डोंट बिलीव इन दॅट डर्टी पॉलिटिक्स. When I am here, I will fight for Goans. When I am here, I will fight for Goans. I will fight against BJP and that will never stop for the people of Goa. But jenna CM of Goa मुखार येता तेन्ना it is my duty, it is a gesture because आमच्या आवय बापायनी आमकां बरे values दिल्या. Our parents have given us good upbringing. We happened to meet him. He himself, we introduced all the Mahilas who were present, introduced themselves. He posed for a picture. And that's it. On the contrary, he spoke. He said that फरक पडना म्हणून ओपोजिशनात 5 जाणां आसा वो कितलीं जाणां आसा तीं आयज आमी रुलिंगाक आसतलीं. बट कन्स्ट्रक्टीव क्रिटिसिजम आसपाक जाय. तुमी कन्स्ट्रक्टीव क्रिटिसिजम करता तेन्ना आमकांय खंय तरी कळटा बाबा हें चुकलां, तें रॉंग जालां आनी आमकां वी कॅन गिव बेटर गवर्नन्स म्हणून. सो आय टेक इट एज अ कॉम्प्लिमेंट. बट दॅट फोटो वीच वॉज पूट, there was nothing personal in that. It was not political function. It was our MLA's Reginald's birthday function, and that post was shared. And then comes a false fake caption. Mahila Congress along with Advocate Pratima Kutino joins BJP in front of Pramod Sawant and Michael Lobo. It sounds like a bad joke. I would like to say, तुम्ही पहिला आसतले पास्टांत कितले येयले कितले गेले. पूण I don't know when it comes to Pratima why some people get come in. म्हाका दिसता खंयचे तरी लोक जे आसा दे डू नॉट बिलीव इन वुमन एम्पावरमेंट. तांकां बायल्यो म्हणटा ते पॉलिटिक्सान नाका. तांकां कशे भाशेन त्या बायलांनी टार्निश करून तांकां घरा कडेन उडोवपाचे तांचे खंय तरी प्रयत्न आसा. दीस पीपल वर इनवॉल्ड इन पोस्टींग दीस फेक मॅसेजीस, दे आर ट्रायंग टू टार्निश एंड मेलायन एंड सी दॅट टू डिफेम लोजयन घरा बसतली म्हणून. सॉरी, नोबडी हॅज रिजायन एंड नोबडी हॅज जॉयन. आनी आय वूड लायक टू से आमी 5 जाणां आसूं फाल्यां 2 जाण देखून उरूं, पूण महिला काँग्रेस वील स्टे वीथ काँग्रेस पार्टी. वी बिलीव इन द लिडरशीप, वी बिलीव इन सोनिया गांधी, वी बिलीव इन आवर आयडियोलॉजी एंड वी आर नॉट गोईंग एनीवे. वेन्स एंड माय महिलाज वेन्स इज ऑफ काँग्रेस. हांव म्हणटा आय वूड लायक टू टेल CM प्रमोद सावंत बिकॉज ही हिमसेल्फ वॉज अ पार्ट वेन वी मेट हिम. Margaon ladies who are standing besides me, behind me, those who are sitting besides me also were present. They are there. CM was there. I was there. Other legislators were there. आमचें उलोवप कितें जालां आनी कितके बरें नोटाचेर काबार जालां तें. इतले बरें नोटाचेर काबार जालां तें लोकांक सांगूंक सोदता जे मिसअंडरस्टँडींग, मिसाबूल करपाक सोदता पळय लोकांक, मिसगायड, मिसलेड करपाक सोदता पळय त्या लोकांक सांगूंक सोदता अरे बाबानू, डोंट वेस्ट युअर टायम on putting captions on Pratima and spreading fake news that Pratima has left Congress and joined BJP. On the contrary, put your good efforts, put that time. ते फक्त मोबायल मेळ्ळा म्हणून वॉट्सॅपाचेर कितेंय घालून कितेंय फॉरवर्ड करनाकात. म्हाजी तुमचे कडेन हें आसा, विनंती आसा. रस्ते बाबाद जाल्ले आसा. रस्ते आयज आख्खे गोंयभर काबार जाला. लोक रडटात, एक्सिडेंट जाता, लोक बॉब मारीत आसा. त्या रस्त्याचेर कितें घालात तुमी. रस्त्याचेर कितें घालात. आयज पेडणे साकून ही बायल आयल्या, ती म्हाका सांगता मॅडम पेडणे साकून ही रेखा म्हणटा ती बायल आयल्या, म्हाका सांगता महिला मॅडम 2 वरां लागलीं म्हणटा, रस्ते सगळे काबार जाल्या. हांवें म्हणलें त्या आमदाराक सांगपाक जाय, त्या लोकांक सांग म्हणलें तुका कोण विचारता पळय महिला प्रेसिडेंट आनी तुमी गेलीं गो, तूं तांकां सांग म्हणून तुमी रस्त्याचे पयले पळयात म्हणून.